Following the pushback from animal activists and some celebrities against the Supreme Court's earlier order to round up and permanently relocate all strays to shelters, the Supreme Court today modified its decision. Today, the Apex Court announced that the stray dogs could be released from the shelters after sterilization, except in the cases of aggressive behavior or rabies infections. It further asserted that people would not be allowed to feed stray dogs in public and ordered the creation of dedicated feeding spaces within municipal wards. A three-judge bench of Justices Vikram Nath, Sandeep Mehta, and NV Anjaria, reviewing an earlier order by the court, also expanded the scope of the issue and ordered that all similar matters pending before High Courts be transferred to the top court for a final national policy. The court said animal birth control rules are to be followed for now. The rules provide a set of guidelines to control the stray population and say that the dogs must be sent back to the same locality after sterilization. The court has warned against obstructing such services. Quote, "Stray dogs shall be dewormed, vaccinated, and sent back to the same area. The dogs with aggressive behavior or with rabies shall be immunized and not released," unquote, said Justice Nath. PETA India and an animal rights advocacy organization thanked the court with an "Every Dog Has Her Day" statement. Former Union Minister and animal rights activist Maneka Gandhi also welcomed the order but urged the court to define the terms under which a dog can be declared as aggressive. The court also said that public feeding of stray dogs cannot be allowed under any condition and ordered civic bodies to create dedicated feeding areas. Those violating the order would face legal action, it said, directing the Municipal Corporation of India to start a helpline for reporting violations. Animal lovers can apply for the adoption of dogs before the MCD, the court said, but also warned that once adopted, those dogs should not be left back on the streets. A bench of Justices J.B. Pardiwala and R. Mahadevan had on August 11 ordered all stray dogs in Delhi NCR to be moved to shelters within 8 weeks, taking note of the rising incidence of dog bites and rabies cases, and even death. At least 37 lakh dog bites and 54 suspected rabies deaths were reported in 2024, according to the government. The court had directed authorities to capture stray dogs from the streets and warned against any interference in the rounding up exercise. The authorities were also asked to make shelters with the capacity to house at least 5,000 dogs each. The matter proved hugely divisive, leading to massive criticism. Animal rights activists and several celebrities argued that the order would be expensive and ineffective in curbing the stray population.